Hi, welcome to Gyan Race AWS series. In this tutorial, we will learn our first article, what is AWS. We will come to know the benefits and understand why we should use AWS. You can find my tutorials at blogs.gyanrace.com/AWS. There you can find all multiple latest updates blogs on AWS. So let's understand what is AWS. AWS is an Amazon product. Its complete name is Amazon Web Services. It is Amazon's cloud web hosting platform that offers flexible, reliable, scalable, easy to use and cost effective solutions. Well, I am a big fan of AWS as I am using such cloud technology since many years. I have worked around on various multiple cloud hosting or cloud providers. However, Amazon is one of the best cloud solution providers. Well, I have explained Amazon Web Service is a product of AWS, as AWS enables their customers the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go prices or else some sort of fixed prices. AWS has various options for their customers so that they can use and maximum and optimize their costs. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access various AWS services such as computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, analytics, data insights, web hosting, application hosting and many more as needed basis services on a single click. You don't need to wait a long waiting hours to make services available. It can be done in fraction of seconds. Alright, let's get more detailed about AWS. Well, cloud computing with AWS is world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 fully featured services. In fact, now I am talking and making this video, they have increased more services in their bucket. They have specialization on data centers globally for their maintenance and adaptiveness. Millions of customers, including the fast-growing startups like my organization Gyan Race, largest enterprises and leading government agencies, they all are using AWS on the lower cost, becoming more agile and innovative faster. Well, why we should go for AWS? It is so famous because of its advantages, its diversities. AWS has a most extensive global cloud infrastructure. No other cloud provider offers as many regions with multiple availability zones connected by low latency, high throughput and highly redundant networking. Well, AWS has 80 availability zones within 25 geographic regions around the world. It has announced plan for 15 more availability zones and 5 more AWS regions in Australia, India, Indonesia, Spain and Switzerland. The time you are watching this video, this might have already executed. The AWS regions availability zone model has been recognized by Gartner as the recommended approach for running enterprise application that required high availability. Well, AWS infrastructure is amazing and flawless. Let's learn line by line why it is why we should use AWS, as it is the most functionality. AWS has significant more services, more features within those services than any other cloud provider, from infrastructure technologies like computer, storage, databases, powers, and to emerging technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, data lake, and analytics on Internet of Things as well. It has the largest community of customers and partners, as it is a market leader. So 75%, nearly 75% organizations, they are using AWS, as it has the largest and most dynamic community with millions of active customers and 10,000 of partners globally. I am one of the partner for AWS as an upcoming and growing company, Gyanrace. It is very much secure. AWS architecture to be the most flexible, secure cloud computing environment availability zones, as there are various zones has been divided and they have their own data centers. However, our core infrastructure is built to satisfy the security requirements for military, global banks, and other high sensitive organizations. AWS is the fastest pace in innovation. As we have talked about, they have a lot of products and services in the market. So they do innovation and brings more and more latest technologies, experiments, and innovation more quickly. Their IoT, blockchain, machine learning platform are very famous and emerging to the technology worlds. Most proven operational expertise. AWS has unmatched experience, maturity, reliability, security, and performance that you can depend upon for your most important applications. For over 15 years, AWS has been delivered cloud services to millions of customers around the world, running a wide variety of use cases in a minimal cost and maximum use. Let's talk about briefly AWS products. AWS has multiple variety of products. As I mentioned initially, they have 200 plus products. They have variety of analytics application. They have application integration tools wherein we can have integrate our application with different worlds part. They have cost management and billing components. They have AI, they have machine learning, they have blockchain products, they have end user computing products, they have game technology, they have a lot of management and governance related product, media service, they have huge amount of robotics, networking and content delivery, storage, security and identity compliance product. They have satellite enabling component as well. So there is a huge list of AWS product. I will have a separate tutorial and video on this so that you can briefly understand each and every famous component provided by AWS. Alright, that's it in this session. You can watch my further tutorials and subscribe my channel. Thank you.